2 summers ago, I made a video when we moved into this house showing how you can swim with a wig. And I thought I'd do a quick little update video since it's been 2 years and remind you that if you wear wigs, it shouldn't stop you from living your life. Things that may have stopped us when we were suffering from hair loss, such as swimming, shouldn't stop us any longer. Today, I'm going to show you why. Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I love making videos that will help my wig sisters on their journey. It's so hard to suffer from hair loss, and I know it stopped me from doing an awful lot of things, and I'm sure you've experienced that as well. And when we come to wigs, we think that it's going to fix everything for us. And so when it's more difficult than we expect it to be, it's quite disappointing and very, very frustrating. But there are ways to get through that and enjoy wearing wigs and have fun with them. And I want you to make me a promise that the things that prevented you from living your life when you were suffering from hair loss are the things that you will try with a wig. And don't be afraid, because from my 6 years of wig wearing experience, there's one thing that I know for sure: nobody knows that you have a wig on. So you shouldn't worry about that portion of the wig. So let's talk swimming. When it comes to swimming with a wig, my recommendation is to wear a synthetic wig. You can wear human hair, but the challenge with human hair is the sun will oxidize the color on a human hair wig. Not unlike what happens to our bio hair when we get it colored. The difference is we often expect to have our bio hair colored regularly, whereas with wigs, I think the expectation is we'll purchase a wig and it will stay that color for the life of that wig, and it simply isn't true with human hair. Now with synthetic, the sun doesn't have the same impact. I have synthetic wigs that I've had for years and I don't see any difference in their color, but with human hair, that is a risk. So I don't recommend, if you have expensive human hair that you care about, that you wear them in the pool. Not only could you shorten the life of that wig with chlorine or anything involved with chemicals in a pool, the sun will also change the color. So even if you are exclusively a human hair wig wearer and thought you would never wear a synthetic wig, I encourage you to consider maybe designating a synthetic wig as your pool wig. The shorter the wig, the easier it's going to be, which is why I'm wearing this short wig today to demonstrate. But if you don't wear short wigs and you only have long hair, I recommend you put the hair up in a ponytail or a clip of some sort, because synthetic wigs can tangle more easily than human hair. Getting in and out of the water, getting it wet, all of that could cause quite a bit of tangling. And I don't really think that's something you want to deal with in a pool. So just plan to wear the wig up in some fashion. In the video I did 2 summers ago, I actually demonstrate with a synthetic wig as well as a headband wig. I have a number of videos on YouTube showing $24 Amazon headband wigs from Sapphire Wigs. They are incredible. And I think the fibers are every bit as good as Raquel Welch and some of the other expensive name brands. And I've heard from many of you who agree with me on that. But the beauty of them is they're very inexpensive. And therefore, if you want to designate it as a sport wig or a pool wig, it's not going to feel quite as detrimental to your pocketbook to do that. In that video, I show how to wear a headband with it, and you wear it in an updo. So for my wig sisters who maybe don't wear synthetic or long or short wigs, I should say, consider purchasing one of the headband wigs from Sapphire Wigs. I guarantee you are going to be so happy with that purchase. I will link my video from 2 years ago below, as well as a review of the wigs and a tip video where I show you how to shorten and thin that headband wig, because it's quite long and quite thick, but it's really easy to remedy on your own. All right, let's get in the pool with the wig I'm wearing is Ellen Villa Joy in the color Light Champagne Rooted. This is a mostly hand-tied wig. You do not have to wear a hand-tied wig when you swim. I do, though, recommend that you consider wearing a lace front wig, because as you'll see in just a moment, when I come up out of the water, the hair goes back just like our bio hair, and you don't want to be able to see the hard front on your wig. In that video 2 years ago, I wore a basic cap wig. So if you want to see this demonstrated with a basic cap wig with no lace front, you can go watch that video. But let me just show you how easy it is and how this wig will not go anywhere. So all you have to do, wear a wig grip under the wig. I'll show you that in just a moment. And then when you go under and come up, there are no worries. No, the wig didn't go anywhere. Stay put. And because of this lace front, you don't have to worry about seeing that wig. And then when I come out of the water, I just fluff up the wig. Sometimes I kind of shake it out, similar to what you might do with your bio hair. And that's all there is to it. The beauty of synthetic is the style is baked in, so you don't have to worry about if it's a curly wig, the curls being ruined by going in the water. When the wig dries, it will dry exactly as it was before you got it wet. Let me show you what I mean by a wig grip. As you can see, I have no adhesive on this wig at all. All I have on is a wig grip. I have videos, many videos, demonstrating how to use wig grips. This is my favorite wig grip from the Hair Grip, but any wig grip that works well for you will do. This just happens to be my favorite. And the beauty of a wig grip is it has this crushed velvet, and when you put it on correctly, when you push back, it's rough. That rough pile, if you will, is what causes friction that holds on your wig. It works with every wig, and it's a great way to feel more secure when you're wearing your wigs and to not have to use an adhesive. Because this wig fits me well, and because I have a wig grip on, I have no worry at all that this wig is going to come off my head. I would wear it all day and have zero fear. So I want to encourage you. There are many, many things that we can worry about in our lives, but wigs and what people think shouldn't be one of them. So from now on, if you're invited to a pool party or somewhere that maybe in the past you would have declined, I encourage you, get yourself a wig and say yes. I hope this helped. Please let me know if you have questions. I'll talk to you soon.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.